Okay, now I'm going to create the database from here, the RTS. So let's just click on the create database, standard care. We don't want to the easy create. Going to select the MySQL database, then the height filters, then just give the default one, then the free tier, then the settings. I can name my database, which is the entire DB, the admin, and the master password, like hello, what looks again, hello 123, hello 123. After that, TG4, we can see the T3 micro. Then I can disable the auto scaling. I don't want any auto scaling, and I don't have any settings to, so I'm not connecting to it. So I'm going to add this entire VPC that I previously created. Public accessible, yes. Then I can use the availability zone from here. Okay, so after that, if I scroll down, authentication, additional configuration, I can have the two tier, and I don't want any backup, and the encryption, I don't want any maintenance. Now clear the database. Okay, now it's creating the database. So it was some like VPC problems. So that's why I have to create it again. Okay, so if I give the view credential, I should be able to see the admin and the password from here also. So right now it's creating. So that's how I'm going to create the VPC and the RDS in here.